Hello, my name is Riley Osborne, and these are my pages mocked up for the part I'm responsible for the website. I was given the exclusive content page and the admin page, and so I'm going to walk you through a little bit how it's going to work. For the exclusive content page, we'll have the header, which will match Alex and Jared and what they have. So I put it up in blue here. The information tab is going to be redirecting to, I believe, Alex's page with some information about the event and the charity all in one, some basic ones information. Because the exclusive content page's purpose is to offer that additional information for those who have registered for the race. But the information tab will have some basic information. And then they'll have another button, which this would be the login or the register button, which would be men's page. And whenever you're logged in, it will change to this, and it's going to redirect you from the logging in register to this page. And what you can do is this little arrow has a drop down menu, and profile is what this page will be under. It will be the profile page, so you can see your profile as well as all the event information, because the profile and the event are pretty much tied together because you make an account in order to register and only to register. The star here is for admin. That's the way you're going to get to the admin page, is from the drop down menu. If you're an admin, you will use this to get to it, the admin right there. And if you're not an admin, then it'll either be grayed out or not available for selection, and the admin page will be here. And it will have the same header, just look a little different because you'll be admin. So for the exclusive content, we're gonna have the schedule listed, and hopefully maybe have like a downloadable file with the schedule in it to take with you. And it'll have the times description, nice orderly format like that. And then below that, we'll have the beginning and ending address in a nice Google Maps kind of style with the route listed, and hopefully we'll be able to have some navigation available so that you can zoom in or move around, see the route. And then we'll have some buttons here to help redirect you to finding parking, public transportation, or downloading a map. And these most likely be external websites for finding parking or public transportation. And your team info, if you don't have a team, then it will be blank, but if you do have a team, then all the matching team names for the team you've joined, all their usernames will be there with you. And over on the admin page, it's pretty simple. We don't exactly know yet how admin stuff is going to work, but the whole table layout, the important information would be having the last name, first name, and the starting section that they'll be in. That's just a little additional information. Their gender, male, female, age, amount donated. And since we're not actually accepting any money, this will just show what they have donated, if anything. There's nothing that has to do with intaking money from the website. And admin is a yes or no thing, and this is a visual indicator within the table that will be used for these buttons here, switching user, switching admin, because the main use of the admin page will be switching users from user admin or admin to user. So these buttons and these checkboxes used together will be used to change that fifth table listing column that confirms whether they're an admin or not. So it'll be a visual indicator for when you use those buttons, and they'll be grayed out unless they're checkboxes that are checked. And I know it's very fancy. I don't know if it will be necessarily that possible and available as fancy, but it's in table format and has some very important filtering features, because depending on how many people you have, since it's a database, you want to be able to get what you're looking for as an admin. In order to do that, we have the male, female checkbox button, search button, last, first name, age, and amount donated that you can use to sort, and you can flip it, the sorting to be from top to bottom. So if it's alphabetical or amount donated, least to greatest or greatest to least. And that menu right there are our filter menus, and that's what you'll use to figure out how to filter out these people. And that is what we have. And on to next person, and they're part of the project. Thank you.